Mga kada, ngayong summer, aminin natin na mas ramdam talaga natin ang init at pawis at sunod-sunod na naman ang mga tumutubong kung ano-ano sa ating mga muka. Skin irritation, breakouts, at kung minsan bigla na lang may bisita sa noon natin na hindi naman natin inaabangan or ine-expect. Pero ang lahat ba na itong tumutubo sa mukha natin ay pimples? Yan ba?
Yes, is it? Alamin natin ang katotohanan at iwasan ang maling paniniwala sa ating
Yeah.
skin ngayong summer. Kasama ang ating bisitang dermatologist na si Doc Alberto Lim Andrales.
Hello, Doc!
Hello!
Bati ka po sa ating mga kada. Welcome
Ria.
back po.
Ay, salamat din sa pag-imbita.
Yes po.
Yeah. Salamat. Good morning to
Good
everyone.
morning, Doc.
Gaganda naman ang mga kasama
Thank you
ko.
po. Ang pogi niyo din po, Doc. At ngayon nga,
Bagong
Doc, ano ba talaga yung pinagkaiba nitong acne at simple na pimple lang? Para mas maintindihan nating mga kada.
Oo, kasi di ba lately summer ngayon, no? Bia and Jazen. Commonly, tutubo ngayon to madalas, uso
Yes.
ngayon kasi sobrang init. And pawisin ang karaniwang mga ating mga kakada kasi syempre uso dyan yung mga tinatawag na parang acne form. Acne form, ibig sabihin hindi naman pala tigyawat, kundi mga bacterial infections.
Okay.
Oo, pwede yan yung tinatawag nating folliculitis
Okay.
na tumutubo pag open ang pores, no? Lalo na ngayon, syempre mainit, no? Para kayo nasa sauna bath.
Yes.
So karaniwan open ang pores, prone to infection. So akala nila tigyawat, yun
Pero-
naman pala.
It's an acne na.
It's
yung
actually
form of acne.
no, it's actually
Yes.
a bacterial infection. Because they're both bacterial infections, but pangkaraniwan we call it folliculitis, or we call it the
Okay.
inflammation of the pores.
Paano mo ba malalaman, Doc, na yung
The difference,
tumutubo sa
yes.
mukha mo is folliculitis?
Yes, folliculitis or a difference between an acne, which is coming from factors like hormones, no?
Yes.
Difference niyan would be comedones, formation of yung mga whiteheads or blackheads at the back. Commonly yan. Usually yan ngayon, summer nga kasi. So, pag folliculitis, ang process lang yan, usually mga butlig na may nana o mapula.
Okay.
Pero with no presence of whiteheads or blackheads.
And that happens during the time where the weather is really hot, like the summer. Or
Yes, pangkaraniwan, common.
Okay.
Yeah.
can it happen during other seasons as well? Or
Yes.
what are other factors that might cause folliculitis?
Okay. That's a good question. So, commonly, folliculitis can happen for individuals who have low immune system.
Low immune system.
Oo.
so,
We call it yung mga fungal type. Fungal type commonly found for people who lack zinc, no? Yung nagbabalakubak.
okay.
Ayan. So, commonly, they lack zinc. They lack, there are a lot of, lack of sleep.
Yes.
Plus factors such as stress.
So, nagiging factors talaga yung sa immune system. So, doon lang talaga nag-root talaga. Kailangan talaga natin alagaan yung sarili natin para hindi mag-trigger ng mga kung ano-ano. Even sa
Oo,
face. Am I
Yes.
right,
Commonly
Doc?
yan ngayon na encounter namin mga dermatologists yan na akala nila tigyawat.
Yes.
But in fact, it's actually either sobrang init ng yung kanilang environment,
Yes.
or yun naman pala, it's caused by fungal. It's called Pityrosporum folliculitis. That's a form of acne form, which is akala nga acne pero
Hindi pala talaga.
Correct.
Ano ba siya, Doc? Kumakalat ba to siya sa mukha kaagad? Or
Okay, commonly katawan. Usually chest yan or upper back.
Yes.
No? Ayan. So, yun yung mga fungal type.
Yung,
So, mga bacteria naman, commonly yan, sa likod lang yan. And yun nga, sobrang hindi nagpapalitan damit.
okay.
I see. That's why it's common, especially during the summer, kasi during the summer we're sweating more, so that's where the pores and the sweat mix together and create this bacterial infection or
Yeah.
fungal.
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Is there
correct.
what's the difference between this type of acne, but then there's also cystic acne and then hormonal acne?
Yan, dyan napapasok yung tinatawag na acne vulgaris.
Okay.
Acne vulgaris are the ones caused by hormonal changes.
Okay.
Pangkaraniwan yan sa mga ating mga kababaihan
Yes.
na may mga syndromes. Let's say we call it polycystic
Yes.
polycystic ovarian syndrome.
Ah,
So,
okay.
oo.
That
So,
PCOS? Is
yes,
Yes,
correct.
PCOS?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, correct. So, those are imbalances sa hormones ng kababaihan na dahil sa mataas ang kanilang panlalaki na hormones,
Okay.
which is androgens, yun yung mataas instead of the estrogen.
Yes.
So, what happens is there's increased oil production. So, because of increased oil production, of course, yun na, formation of nodulus cystic, which is deeper yan compared dun sa
acne.
superficial.
Okay. Paano pa natin mahi-help, Doc? Especially ngayong mga kada natin. Marami ngayong ganun yung situation.
Yes.
Even sa back, even sa face. And yung mga friends ko din na may PCOS, especially may PCOS, ganun nga yung concerns nila. Ano ba yung mga first few steps na pwede nilang gawin, maagapan at masolbahan yan? Doc?
Okay, una sa lahat, that should be determined by ultrasound, diagnostic procedures, and better yet, go to a derma para talaga ma-diagnose properly. Kasi a lot of times, people misconstrue or misunderstood the aspect of
Yes.
acne na minsan pala ang gamot pala dyan ay oral, not just pahid. So lalo na ngayon kasi they have questions like oily skin ako, should I put moisturizers and all that, right?
Yes.
So basically, right, it's okay to put moisturizer, huh? As a matter of fact, because if you treat acne as acne, huh?
Yes.
Or we call it yung mga PCOS, you'll be taking lots of medicine that will dry up the skin.
Yes.
So if you dry up the skin, it tends to, if you don't put moisturizer, that will tend to increase your oil production. Baliktad. Actually, yun ang connotation eh. Anong nangyari? Nagtitake ako ng mga gamot. Let's say, for example, isotretinoin or
Yes.
a lot of factors, right?
Yes.
And pills also,
Yes.
just to balance out the hormones. They have the connotation na, Doc, mag-moisturizer ba ako? Oily ako eh. Actually, in fact, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in putting on moisturizers.
So you recommend that talaga, Doc, sa
Certain, kumbaga, hindi lahat ng moisturizers
Yes.
available pwedeng ilagay. It should
Yes.
be yung low profile lang.
ano ba yung mga few ingredients na lang, Doc, na pwede nilang ma-use even sa
Yeah,
sensitive skin?
That's a good question. Number one should have at least, low profile lang. Hindi siya yung mga sobrang kapal. Ha? Yan ang pwede kong ma-explain. Plus, we call it yung mga hyaluronic acids, ceramides.
Yes.
So, mga ganyan. Basic. Wag yung makakapal. No?
Okay.
Let's say, like, for you girls, right? You need put makeup.
Yes, Doc.
Right? Siyempre, may mga dyan kailangan takpan or anything. But make sure that is based not oil-based.
Okay.
Should be mineral-based.
Okay,
Mineral
got
based
it. Thank you for
Got
that,
it.
Doc. At least na mas nalinawan yung mga kada natin. At ito pa, para mas malinawan din talaga yung mga kada nanonood sa atin, Doc, let's play fake or fact. So, meron lang kami mga sasabihin dito ng mga claims at itataas mo lang ito, Doc. Itong ating mga...
Okay.
kung fake or fact siya. Kasi tetang na natin yung mga misconception kung ano talaga yung totoo dito at hindi. So yung una ay, ang makeup ang pangunahing sanhi ng acne. Is it a fake or fact?
It's a fake.
It's a fake.
It's a fake. Bakit, Doc? Bakit siya?
Okay, hindi naman cause ng makeup talaga ang cause ng acne not na makeup. It can be either due to stress. Yan. Or it can be due to hormones as
Yes.
mentioned, di ba? So, there are times naman yung lifestyle. Paano kung nag-work sa mga, let's say, yung long duration, yung mga
Yes.
nasa casino, dealers, call centers.
Yes, more
Kadalasan,
exposed.
lifestyle, yung occupation. No? Yeah. So, kung puyat lagi, it's not a makeup actually. It's more of yung pagpupuyat,
Yes.
yung stress. So, it's not a makeup after all.
There you go, mga kada.
Yes.
It's a fake.
It's a fake. And now, our second misconception, fake or fact. Pare-pareho lang ang treatment ng lahat ng acne. Fake or fact?
Fake!
Fake
Bakit
as
fake, Doc?
well.
Actually, hindi lahat pare-parehas. Kasi may times na yung nga, di ba, hormonal, pills yun. There are times naman, we have severities of acne. We have 3 types. Mild,
Yes.
moderate, and severe. So, bawat categories may kanya-kanyang specific medication. So, hindi lahat pare-parehas. So, maganda talaga ma-discern ng tamang specialista
To consult.
Tama.
para
Yes.
sure.
At para sure din talaga yung mga kada natin, Doc, saan ka ba nila pwede mapuntahan at magpa-check up na sila sa mga concerns
Wow, they
nila?
can visit me at Diliman Doctors Hospital. We're there almost every day except for Sundays, no? Of course, rest day, kind of.
Yes, and social media account, Doc. Parang
Yeah, we have our
hindi mo-
Facebook. They can get their inquiries at Facebook, Dermatologist on the Go. You can ask or let's say put your inquiries there anytime. And we will be willing to answer the questions.
There you go.
Yay!
Maraming salamat, Doc. At ito na nga mga kada, tandaan na consistency is the key talaga sa tamang skincare routine at tamang mga products ang gagamitin at sapat na kaalaman na kayang-kaya nating alaga ng ating balat para mas confident at glowing.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.